Immobiliser Fit, and this is a 2023 brand new Land Rover Discovery 5 secured with a Starline Immobiliser. See, it's only got 40 miles, customer wants it protected. So if a thief done a relay attack on the key, started the vehicle up, it's going to start and switch off. Then also if they go to restart it, it's going to start. As soon as they put it in gear, the vehicle's going to cut out. As you can see, they're unable to drive it away. So what the customer has to do, they can either use a push sequence or pair their phone up with their phone, just have the Bluetooth on in their pocket, simply get in the vehicle, start it up, hear a disarm tone, and we can drive away. The vehicle doesn't stall out, we can move it. If their phone goes flat, there's a push sequence override they can use using the factory buttons. So what they would do, foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, go through their code, 1, 2, 3, hear that disarm tone, foot on the brake and start, and the vehicle fires into life. They can drive away.